Of chaos, we rise again. Brothers and sisters in arms, forever as one. The path awaits for our quest to come. We are the warriors of DEF CON 1. Journey of honor, with glory in sight, strength and courage, contenders of our right, a united tribe, the chosen few, destiny. We're coming for you.
Hello, stream. What up? Dude, I just look like fucking Donald Trump. Give me a sec. Fucking hell. My hair just went like suck a dick. What up, everybody? For that people that are watching afterwards, maybe There will be probably a future that people. Let's start again though. What up, everybody that are watching this video afterwards the stream? There will be a future probability that the game has a player base, and that people want to know how did we create the game. Now, welcome. This is how. This is part 4 of the developing part of Project Spooky. Name is still not known. We are still need to think about the name of the game. But we don't need a name of the game yet, because the game is not even playable. For like being a playable game. You know what I mean. There are some talking points that I want to talk first. That I want to have information on this stream, and probably. And that is, I've put an announcement on the Discord, and I'm gonna put the Discord. I'm gonna put the Discord next stream, so tomorrow. In the description to every stream that I do for Project Spooky. And until we are going to do, let me think what I want to say, because still ADHD and I'm still I just took my medication, so that's why we're gonna start the stream talking instead of doing stuff. Let me do this first. Dev stream #4 is it, or #3? It's #4, right? #4. Yep. Dev stream #4. That's here. Yep, I put it on the Discord. So from tomorrow on, I will put the stream of the Discord link for always on the Discord link in the description. So if you want to join the Discord, and you are playing the game at this moment somewhere in 2024, that's the goal for the release, or you are playing the beta, because we're gonna talk about that in a few seconds, because I have a schedule on doing stuff, because I look at videos how to do game development the right way and everything else, and these are a few things that they put on. It's not how to develop, but like more in how to put your time in. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I started that with on Monday. So let's start off with that. So how to develop a game properly is like, you have a few basic steps. Make it time based. Don't get crunched out, so don't get burned out at the game development. And 2, make deadlines. And the last one is, don't make your deadlines too hard to do. And that's what I did. I made a few time-consuming deadlines, and the first one is developer build 1, and that's what you're seeing at this moment that I'm building at this point, the dev build 1. It only has 1 map still, but it will have 2 maps at the end of next month. It will already have 2 maps. The second deadline is dev build 2. There's no time yet for it, but it's around middle of December. And there will be a few extra features in it. Then on the Discord, on the announcement, I talked about the official beta. And that will go after dev build 4. So we will have 2 more dev builds, but that the beta will go live around midsummer. And then we talked a little bit about the release with the features that I want to have in the release of the game. And that's what I gonna talk about you. That's what I wanna talk with you guys today. So I'm gonna get the game announcement of the announcements here. So the pre-dev build, it will be here, of course, at the beginning of the beginning of. What was it? September, right? September or November? No, September. Yep, September. No, at the beginning of October, sorry. At the beginning of October, 7th October. And it will feature 2 dev maps, 4 Ghost to Hunt. So what I'm already pre-building, oh shit, what the fuck did I do? What I'm already building here. So I'm just showing you guys. 4 ghosts. These are still dev builds, so I can recognize which ghost is spawned and everything else. For now, that will be so not fucking. That will not be here when the game is released. This will show nothing, because it will be determined when the game starts, when the level starts, what the visual looks like for the ghost and everything. But this is pure for me to know, okay, this is the ghost, so I can test everything else. And this is how you would see everything else. But in Dev Build 1, I want to try to create that every ghost visual will be a white pill before choosing, and it will choose one of these visuals to be the ghost of, but then you will not identify the ghost directly by seeing the look of it. And I know what you guys thinking, oh, is that the ghost that's not even doing anything? It's the Dev Build. This is just to check out bugs, to see like what are the bugs in Dev Build 1, and that's what I'm gonna do a week after Dev Build 1 to fix those bugs. You guys seen what I found, what my girlfriend found, what the players found. So that's what it is. So I will, for the people that are watching this between now and Dev Build 1, I encourage you to join the Discord and to test with us. There will be a forum on the Discord where you can then give me all the bugs that you find and what's not working for the single player mode, because this is still single player mode. And in Dev Build 4, somewhere there, we are going to test the multiplayer and everything else. It's testing the multiplayer. Because the beta version will have multiplayer / co-op. It's what you want to call it in a ghost hunting game. But yeah, so that's for the Dev Build 1. For Dev Build 2, that's gonna release around January, February, March. There will be a difficulty mode change, so normal and hard mode, ghost interactions, voice recognition, UI update, so the UI will be a little bit better. That's what the UI is something that I'm gonna build at the probably next week somewhere-ish. Maybe I'm gonna start it Friday if I can do the rest already. But Dev Build 2 will have a updated UI. Voice recognition and ghost interactions. Dev Build 1 will not have a lot of ghost interactions, maybe 1 or 2 to scare the fuck out of you already in Dev Build 1, but like that's probably not gonna be here because it's not really important yet, and it's just to make the game feels better when it's in beta mode or in release mode. There's a probability that when we are in beta mode, the game is already done to play. Gun is ready for playing and everything else, and the only thing we need to do is to make more maps, because I want to release the game with more than 5 maps on release. So that's probably the thing what we are going to do from beta to release, make a few more maps, fix a lot of bugs. So yeah, so you can expect when we are at the beta version, it's a releasable game for people that like, for developers that like early access bullshit. I don't. But like the beta is for me to see the bugs, to fix them, to add a few more maps, and yeah, and to create that one special thing that I'm gonna talk about with you guys now. And there will be a special developer build for there too, but there will be only for a set of group of players, and I will not stream that on this channel because I think that's something that has not been built in a ghost hunting game. So that will separate us totally from every other ghost hunting game. What I know is one game tried it and it's already dead as hell. But yeah, I wanted to make it like more, to play it longer than, so it has more playability, if you guys understand what I mean. So let's talk about the beta expectations. Sorry. So yeah, 5 maps. That's the beta. 6 to 10 items, equipments / consumables. Multiplayer / co-ops, what I said. Call it what you want to in this game. 6 type of ghosts. And we hope we will be releasing the beta mid-summer. And for the release of the full game, I already talked about it in a different video. Price point of around 5 to 10 euros. So the game is not going to be expensive at all. Full character customization full leveling system with a working prestige mode. Why I'm saying working prestige mode? That's something that I'm gonna talk about like in a few seconds. A new game mode that will change the ghost hunting game space. So what I just said, that will separate us from every other ghost hunting game there is. It's gonna be a strain on me and my girlfriend to make the map and make the ghost modes and everything else to make that work all in one perfect harmony. And a lot of fun playing the game, right? So that's the goal. And then more updates will follow, lead up to Death Build 1. And I'm doing these stuff are updates, but I will also update on the Discord. So still, I want to talk about you guys really to, I really want to encourage you guys to really join the Discord so you can see how everything works. There's also something that I need to put here later on, but we are going to work on a website. The website will go up around-ish the time the beta will go launch, or a alpha version will go launch. So there will be a alpha version, but I'm not gonna announce that though, because the alpha version will be only for people that helped us create the game, talk to us with the game, maybe help us fund the game. Don't know how we're going to do that though. But yeah, so that's the stuff that we are going to do. So the last thing I want to talk about before I'm going to learn myself again how a interaction trace system works, because I want it with trace lines. And I already found a video to do that though. It's only 9 minutes long, so it's not going to be even that long, and I'm going to skip it to the code because I know the code a little bit in my head, but I need to know exactly what I had to do. We are gonna talk about the working prestige mode. Why it's saying working prestige mode in the announcements. For if you are watching this afterwards and you're reading just the announcements, and if I'm taking a step to another development, I am not though. I am pretty stoked and hyped for other developers to interpret the word prestige mode. But there is only one prestige mode in my head that works perfectly, and that's the one from the old Call of Duty games. That you have prestige, you will reset every freaking thing you have, but you can buy something with a prestige coin or something. That's something what I mean. With us, you will have a round for every item in the game that can have one prestige mode. So expect if we have 10 items in the game, there will be 10 prestiges. The reason why is you can unlock the items with the prestige mode, prestige coins. So when you are prestige, you can press prestige, and it will say you got one prestige coin. And when you get new items, they will say you need level this or unlock with a prestige token. And when you use prestige token, you will unlock it. That, and it will remain like that. So that's what I mean with the working prestige mode. So yeah, like there is a game now that are released with a prestige mode, and you will prestige and everything is gone. You need to work everything all by yourself, and there are no up points for it. So just make a remembrance of that. What do we need to talk about more? No, we don't need to talk about anything more. We are just going to have some working done here. We need to make the interaction system for everything there is for interaction. Let's make this a little bit faster. Thank you. So as the light source that you can't see though in game yet. So there is a light there, but there's no light source here. But we need to interact with the lights. Interact with the fucking stupidest equipment. So what I just said is this is still the dev build, right? It's a dev build. You cannot do anything about it. If it looks shit, it looks shit, I know. But this will change in the future, like when the game is completely developed by new learning people. For me, it's not new learning Unreal Engine, but for me it's learning to make a game that will be released. So, and the other part is the modeler, the person that's modeling the game. at this point is still learning how to use Blender. But the fun thing about it is the person that is learning to use Blender is a fucking perfectionist. So I know when I have this book here, it will look fucking amazing at the end of the when the beta release or the alpha release. It will look perfect. Expectations are high for me though, because I'm using Unreal Engine, and a person that's making the equipment is known. She knows me for the reason. Oh, hello there, Ghost. She knows me for the reason that I'm using Unreal Engine, and I hope she's keeping the standards that I want to have with Unreal Engine. Hello, Ghost. So as you can see, the ghost cannot go outside though. I can explain that a little bit though in a few seconds. And I'm gonna do that every stream for the people that are new that watching the stream, how this system works and what the ghost can do and everything else. But yeah, this ghost can do nothing. What we added yesterday is a hunting mode and a sanity test. So if I press here the F button, it will test my sanity. My sanity is dropping now every second. So in 25 seconds, the ghost will get a trigger that it can hunt. And then 5 seconds later, it will hunt me. It's on a 5-second delay. So at 75%, this ghost in particular will not do that though. Only ghost 1 will do that. So this ghost only will do that. Let me drain my sanity already. So look at this. So this only the first ghost will do this at this point. Because yeah, this ghost is only fully set up, and I will delete the rest of the ghost and then do something with that though, because I'm building everything on ghost 1, and then ghost 1 will do the rest for me. There you go. Look at this. It will give me a message in a second. Hello. Look. It's going to hunt me now. And you see the pathfinding. That's exactly what I wanted. If I walk through here, if I'm not glitching, oh, like it followed me. It's waiting 5 seconds again. Look at this, and it follows me again because it touched me, so it will stop it. And the fun thing is though, every time you see hello, it's restarting its 5-second sequence. And if I go outside, I will drop down, but the ghost is not following me. So the hunt mode works. So that's good to see, and it sees this path. It can see this path. You see that? It sees this path, but if I by accident walk on this object, it will stop. It will bug the fuck out, so I already know that. To fix that later on, that's not important for now. So the goal now is to give the player is in dark and is not, and give the lights, every light source will get a room that it's in, or 2 rooms where it's in though. So expect this, like this room has 2 light systems. It will has boxes in it that will say if the light's on, you are in the box. Check if it's lights on. If lights on, yes, you're there. If it's off, your sanity will drop instantly. Not hard though, but instantly. So yeah. I already know I'm gonna be in hot shit though when I'm gonna add multiplayer, because I'm still making this as a single player game, not as a co-op game. So that's gonna be a lot of trouble when I'm making multiplayer for it though. So yeah. Let's see where we at now. Let's get the interaction video. I have it on a hotbar, I guess, here. Control H. Let me see where the video is. Where are you? This is music. This is my uploads. This is something that I did for the short with Unreal Engine. These are all videos that I watched. Like, dude, I watch a lot of YouTube though. That's annoying. Ah, there you go. And then I used this one, I guess. Yeah, I think it is this one. It's only 9 minutes long. So.
And I'm just going to create a new folder called blueprints. From here, I'm going to open this. Right click. I'm going to create a new blueprint class, new actor, and we'll call this one master interact. Okay. From here, I'm going to double click and open it up.
I sure want to know if he's doing the right thing though. Oh.
Let's right click and we're going to type in custom event, and I'm going to call this one interact with object. Beautiful. So we've got our custom event. Let's now compile. Let's save that. And that's all we're going to do for now. So let's close that one. And then from here, I'm person blueprint, and we're going to put all our jazz up here. Now I want something to happen when I press the E key. But obviously at the moment, the E key does squat. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to edit.
And this is what I don't like about this video. Okay, you guys can't see though, but like this guy is now making a interaction system, and he's using a hardwired engine
Project settings.
key.
Scroll down to under engine into input.
Like, this is outdated as fuck. We are using like the same thing he does, but we are using an input system. You see? AI move, AI look, AI move. And we are going to do a AI interaction system. But that doesn't matter though. We can skip this part about this video. So we don't need this.
So now in a free section event, interact. We can do press when released.
Yeah. He's going
to master interact. Bam. To there. And then from here, what I want to happen is to
pass to trace line.
Custom event. So let's go and drag off that. Interact with object, and that's the one we want. Master interact. Okay, fairly straightforward. However, we need a little bit more information.
Yeah, you need the information that you can call from the.
And we'll call this object looking at. Beautiful. From here, we're going to change it from a boolean to an actor. And let's go into the actor type, and we're going to go into object reference. Let's go now compile. That's fine, we're going to get that error, but as soon as we go get object looking at, plug that in there, compile. Obviously, this doesn't really do much for us.
No, because you still need the trace lining and everything else.
So this monstrosity. So what we need to do is...
Yeah, this is what I don't like though. Now he's going to do a event tick and then line trace by channel. This part I need for a second. So every event tick, every 0.2 seconds, it will line trace this thing. That's stupid. Why would you do this? This is just giving you lag. So I'm gonna just fix this though in a sec. For myself. I just need this part code. Because that's the hardest part code there is for me at this moment. Because I forgot how to do that though. Okay. For now, we are just doing it key E. For now. Because I just want to do it. And we do a line trace by channel. Line trace by channel. Exactly. Now we get player camera. Player camera management. Get actor location. Then another one, get world rotation, right? No, forward. What? Gonna be fucked up, but okay. Let's see if this works. Get actor. Get actor forwards. Forwards factor. Yep. Multiply. What the fuck did he do? I want to see that last part, what he made though.
Change that to a float. Let's go compile. Let's set it to maybe 200.
Oh, that's the distance, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. We're just gonna make this a line trace distance. Compile that shit. Put that to 200 for now, then 2. Put that here, so like this, line trace like that. And now we need to make it a add, if I'm correctly.
Yep. Click off there.
Yeah, exactly. This one needs to go to the start. And this needs to go add. And do this, and then that needs to go to end. And for now, we're just gonna see if it works if I press E. Oh, draw debug. Persistence, draw time 5. Compile. Okay, and we're just gonna see if I press E, if the line comes. So yeah, the line is coming. That's perfect. So if I should go here, it will find the object that I'm hitting at, but it's not in the middle, but it happens. We will fix that though, or maybe it is in the middle. But yeah, you see the line trace works from a certain distance, and we need to change that to a good interaction line, right? So this is the line interaction. So cool. And now we're gonna change a few things though. So if I press E, few things. We made a custom event, same as him, and we're gonna call this interact. Right? Interact. Bang. Bang on. And if I press E, we need to do just interact because it's just going once. If I compile this, it will work again. Probably, maybe not. It works again. It's just doing one. If I hold it, nothing happens. So maybe we're gonna use this system just to be stable. So at the end date, we can change this to something else. But yeah, for now that's okay. Now we need to do though is something we need to check out what he does and how I can change his script a little bit.
That one, and I'm gonna go break hit results. From here, let's expand up the top there and go branch. And we want to do a true and false at what it's looking at, and then up here, if the object that it's looking at is not part of the master interact or children, then this bit isn't going to flow because this is where it's going to break. So for now, I'm going to go return value true from.
So you're going to use the master interaction system? Do that though? You dumb? Well, okay, let's see. And then you can copy that though, and then you make an object. So I need to probably redo my fucking. Yeah, so he does that. I think I can understand this though. Let me just check this out.
Add cube, there we go. And so we event graph, right click and do interact with object. There we go. So that's now our event. And just for now, I'm just going to add in a print string and just type in, you touched me.
So that's all he did. That's pretty simple though. This is maybe simpler way to do this than what I did. I maybe need to recreate my fucking things though, but like, yeah. Okay. So Let me think about this. So he did with the items. Right. No. Just with the interactable, right? Blueprint class, actor, the main interaction. So this is just a main interaction. Save. Save, please. And we can just do. Can probably just. Can copy this. Interaction. No, killer. Stop it. Stop it, dum dum. Cool. Stop it. This is all we need to do. For now, I guess. Yes. All what we need to do for now. Cool. Then we need to go to my main character again. Do I have it open? Player. Yes, I have. This is what I need to do in a second. If I press E and then just check his code for a sec. And then it goes to interactive. Okay, okay, okay.
By channel.
So that's everything he did though. Did something here. Interact. Oh. Custom event. Interaction. Just calling it that. There are some stupid things that will not work for me though at this point. This is interact that I want to do is interact that stuff. So if I press E. That though. Need to do that and cast to main interaction. New actor. Gonna be an actor. This file for now. This can go here. It's gone with the wind. So the interaction is asking for the target, right? So, and did he made a true or false statement here? At this point, he did not yet. I know he did it here. Branch, and he did the out hit. He did split structure pin. No, fuck. Combine. What did he do? I forgot about this part. There's like 2 things you need to type about. You can get it. Yeah. Let's. Yep. Break hits. Oh, here. Break hit results, and then I can do this. So, what was the condition he was using? Let me see.
What it's looking at, and then up here, if the object that it's looking at is not part of the master interact or children, then this bit isn't going to flow because this is where it's going to break. So for now, I'm going to go return value true from here. Let's
return value needs to be there.
go object looking at. We're going to set.
So interaction, we need to have a set.
Put that in there. Hit actor.
Ah, now I get it, eh?
Goes into there, and we need to do a false set.
Yep. So you can copy and paste. There needs to be a false too. I'm gonna clean this up in a second though.
If it's not looking at anything, it's going to clear what it was looking at, if that makes sense. So let's go compile. We shouldn't have any errors. That should be all good. Let's now minimize this one. Come back into the content drawer. Come back into our blueprints. And from here, we do not touch the master. what I will be doing is right click, create.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna create a child, right? So you're doing this, save this one, and then create child blueprint, and then you're gonna call this a light switch. Again, what I just said is going to copy this, go to the light switch again, add this, put this a little bit down though, compile, event graph, go to code,
Child from blueprint class, EP. Cube, click and do interact with object. There we go. So that's now our
this was interaction, right? No, this is the wrong fucking thing. Interaction. It's doing the same fucking stupid thing. Interaction. Why? Did I forgot something to make this?
event and just
I need to have this interaction thing. I need this one. Event interaction. Exactly, and then he does the print string, and then lights out, bitch. Compile, and then just stop it. And I can delete this one. So this light switch needs to go feeds delete this. It's really big though, but testing purposes. Oh, stop it. I did not fucking activate it. How I'm gonna fix this though, because I don't like it on every so that's the thing, is he did it on a he did something else here too. Oh yeah. Call function interaction, right? But first, because this is all already doing everything, it's not even on an interact button. Only event interaction. I can do this though, like every something second it will check if you pressed E for interact, but like I don't want that, right? So what I'm trying to do now first is doing the interact, right? Then go here. So it's first going to interact, then to interaction. Like it has, like if it's false and it's not in there, then don't interact. But the same thing I need to do is here. I need to boot it back there, but with a delay, a small delay. You only have to press it once. So that's what I'm thinking about. Like it's gonna be 0.5 seconds. You clicked it when you released it, done. Right, done. Or I may be freaking stupid or fucking smart at this point. I'm gonna do it after you release the button. You press it, when you release it, it's done. No? I need to have a drink. So this is just testing though to make this my own and how I want to have this up. Like that interaction thing is pretty cool to have, and I can work with that for a couple of while for the playtest and everything else. But we need to test this first. Yes. Lights out, bitch. See? Like this works too. You see this? Lights out, bitch. Lights out, bitch. Lights out, bitch. Ta-da! See, I changed it instead of it's trace lining every time. So you need to see this, how I'm thinking about this, right? Like, you learn some stuff that's totally the wrong way if you are building a release game. The reason why that was the complete wrong way to learn it, because you are trace lining, right? You are trace lining every 0.2 seconds. Okay, you can change that in your engine that it will do everything. But you need to remember, we have an AI running in at the background that's determining the path of the ghost at that point. Even if you don't see it or see it, that doesn't matter. It's working on, the AI is working on the background to the path tracing. You are working on it. Your computer is working on the graphics. Your computer is working on lots of more stuff in the game that's going on at that moment. A lot of timings, because a ghost hunting game is a lot of timings, and you don't want a trace line to fuck up those timings in a game for a person that has like maybe a slower PC, because timings are everything. And if you have like a frame second drop below the 60 frames, it's still a possibility though, because it's an Unreal Engine game. The graphics will be higher than a normal ghost hunting game. I'm going to try to make that perfect, but still, you want to make the experience for the player as best as you can. So that means if you have something running constantly as an event tick, you just try to don't make it like as PC heavy as it is, right? So a trace line on this point with a event tick that does every time it hits the surface. So in this point, in this guy, it has like this, right? But then 10 times as fast. Every time it does this, the script is telling us, reset. There is no item being touched. Every time it needs to reset. Every time. So every 0.2 seconds, it will reset that one valuable that it has no item on it at all, because it's not touching the main interaction system. What I just did is, I'm just asking it for it once, right? Oh, you didn't hit a interaction thing? Fuck it then. You can do this, right? Oh, you are touching the light switch. Lights out, bitch. Right? That's the only code I gave it now, but it's only doing it once. And the fun thing is, when you release it, it resets it. So it's on 0 again. This is the faster way for the gamer experience at the end to have it. This may have some bugs, probably in the end when the game is fully developed, but that's on me to fix that though. That it has a bug, but this will not have game breaking lag experience that sometimes Phasmo has with when you load in a game, or a ghost needs to do a certain thing that the whole game freezes out. That's the things that I don't want to have. That's why I'm making this game as lag friendly there is. No lag for the game. At least I cannot determine if it has lag or something else until a lower PC has played it. But you know what I'm planning on to do, right? But this works out. The interaction system. What the fuck did I do? And I need to rework the movement system, but that's for another day. Like, if I do this, I will stop walking. Why? Okay, cool. Interaction system works, and these lines I will delete though eventually. But for now, it's good for bug testing, right? Perfect for bug testing. Interaction system done, boys. But let's see if it really works. So we gave this light switch. Girlfriend is building a house and she makes this sound. What the fuck? That's exactly what I thought, and that's what she said. What the fuck? Doing a pretty good job though. Very proud of you. I'm really. Not a fucking joke though. I'm really proud of you. I don't know. Look what I built with Unreal Engine. Are you proud of me too? It's one model. Now it's your turn. Do this in Blender. But like, that's the thing, right? I know everything about Unreal Engine, so I know how to build this. But this is everything I know. Make separate rooms, that's it. But you are, what I am seeing, you are creating on the height of a character there, right? So you know the values of how big the house is. I did this on fucking gamble. If it's not correct, I need to stretch the house fully out. But that's what I said. You are building on that. I need to reconstruct that though in my work because how you work is better for me to do work on. Ik kan gewoon Nederlands praten. And that's 3 meters, motherfucker. Oh, that's the building side. Yeah, what the fuck? Which logic did American height? What? Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. American people are small. Yeah, exactly, and that's the average height in America, you know that? If you go to America, you are a fucking giant. It's good though, I'm very proud of you. Rico mode. I'm 185. 82. You dumb. What I said, you are doing good. I'm gonna turn my cam off because I'm gonna smoke a cigarette and I don't like to smoke on stream. So, but I still want to working. Even though I'm getting nauseous again. I don't know what it is, but I think I need to have. Don't have. Oké. Ook gedeeltelijk, ja. Maar beide denk ik. Ik denk dat mijn maag er niet aan kan om die medicatie te verdragen. Daarom heb ik vanmorgen gezien. Ik wil zo meteen om 2 even, of 2:15 even een broodje. Dat. Okay. So we are already 41 hour in, no 45 minutes in. And we have the interaction system working. But what we now want to do is to make that light go on and off. Right? So that's the goal. This light needs to go on and off when I switch that thing. So they need to be connected. Perfect, right? How are we gonna do that? I have no fucking clue yet, but I'm gonna think about it. So we go into this light switch and want to have another event. Right? Custom event. Custom. Wacht even hoor. Turn off light. Ah. Okay, turn off and on the light. So what I remember about yesterday, understandable how I talk sometimes. So I have ADHD, I forgot something. Fuck hard. Okay, we deleted the other light and now it's point light only. Wacht even voor, schat. Rename, and this is gonna be light 1. Cool. And we want to change stuff on this. So, light 1. I don't know how to do that though. How do we call stuff from the level? Level. That's something I really need to learn, and I'm gonna do that without YouTube or Google. I'm gonna go to the toilet in a second again. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me. I think I can call an actor, right? Get actor of class. Light 1. No. I need to make it an item. Oh shit. Then we're gonna make it an item. Respectable. That light. Something. I need to change this name though in the future, but something. So we're gonna make a new. Probably I need to make it a light 1. And then, oh shit. Port. Font on it. That's cool. Yeah. Very cool, very cool. Now we can delete this one. Changeable though. Then in the source, actor S. Light. And then we want to change a variable of this, right? Do we change the sensitivity of the light source? What are we going to change? We are going to see what we can change of this light. It's probably the intensity, or we can just make it not visible, right? What's better to do? Is to 0 or make this visible? For now, just to make it easy on us, we just visibility, right? Turn on and off light. Visibility. Set visibility point light. Pretty easy to do. Set visibility. I think that's off. Have a flip flop on this, I guess. Probably. Flip flop. If it's B, you can just take this. Doesn't need to duplicate it, and this file. So what we wanted to do is, instead of event on interaction, Did I call it Tom? A Torn. Action, I love. So on interaction, it will go turn on and off the light. Lights off. But the lights is going on again. But the flip-flop doesn't work. It turns it off. Lights off. Doesn't turn it on again. So we need to check out why it doesn't go on off. And graph. Oh, we need the light switch. Make this bigger, please. Thank you. Ah, I see the mistake. Go. Compile. And now the flip-flop needs to work. Flip-flop just means 1 or 2. Turn on. Off, turn off, turn on. Here you go. And there is your visibility. Off. And on. Oh. Give me a sec, stream. Sorry, girlfriend is getting a call, so I'm muting. Okay, I'm back. So what we saw is the interaction system works on the way I want to. It works though. So lights can go off and on. So I'm not adding any animations though because I don't want to. I can change his rotation though. To pop up pop up. That's something I want to, but like it has no fucking point at this moment, right? So it's just when we are going to fine tune the game. So cool. So that works. Perfect. What I want to do now is to see if we can add the items to our character. Now I have a few questions in my head to do though. How many item slots are we going to use? And yeah. So, but first let's open the notepad that I have. Done. Event mechanic player can lose. Yeah, we need to have a dead interaction done. Let's make this done part 1. No lose yet. Lose will put this here. After you. Again, mechanic part 2. Alright, item and consumable interaction. So this needs to have the interaction in it. We can call it from an thing. So we can rework this for now. To make your sanity come back again. Like the fun thing about this light source, right? We can make the trigger box in it. We're already gonna work a little bit on that though first. Because that's a part of the sanity. We have light 1 here. But have a boolean. Lights on. Question mark. Event. Drain sanity. Mark. And then we need to make a true or false. True, a boolean. Fuck, a branch. Shit. It's a branch. Stupid. Boolean. Lights on. Question mark. So that's gonna be simple. We're gonna boolean on. If true, do nothing. If false, gonna drain the sanity. Right? Right. So we need to call up to the main player. Main player. Object is player. default value is very cool. And as the main player, we are calling for the sanity. The event that we calling here. So, sanity. Bam. And if it's true, yep. So we can compile that. And the only thing what I need to do here now, light switch. And this is the here, same here. All out. Get lights on. Set lights on. Set lights on. And this needs to be set. This needs to be set. It's pretty simple. It like this. But now we need to take a little bit of a thinking time, because this will not only do this, we also need to call the function sanity. Because we are just doing it here. Visibility. And we're just going to do here train sanity. We're going to do it 2 freaking times. It will check though if the light's on. That's the only thing. For now though. We can test this out. See if it's gonna drain this. Is not. Did I make an oopsie? Maybe I didn't make an oopsie here though. Possibility though. Can convert this to. But I'm not doing that. This is a mistake. Cast to actor. Oh. Let me think about this. Suppose call to of get actor of class main player. For now though, this should be okay. We cannot. And a sanity drain. Right. Test this again. Oh, it's only doing it once. Not starting the event. Doing it. What the hell did I do here? I gave it a value. Ah, it's in dark. Oh, I only need to do it. That in Oh, set in dark. It is raining now. Hey, yeah? Perfect. So, like, when you are out of the house, there will be, like, a fully thing out of the house that will check if it's in dark or not. Right? You can stop it now manually. But the sanity will drain here. And if I'm going now in the house, stop, sanity drain. If I'm going here, the ghost is hunting at the moment, right? Oh, it's not. Oh no, because this ghost can't hunt. I forgot about that. So we are working a little bit out of tempo though, because the sanity system doesn't need to be working perfectly yet. So we are just gonna unplug that system for now. Yet we need to right, but the light switches work. Cool. Hello, Gust. Good, that's good, that's good. I'm very happy with that. Works perfectly. So now we, what I said is like make this interaction system work, right? And that should not be a big problem, I guess. Nah, it shouldn't be a big problem. But there's progress here. Cool. We can go later on the light switches. Later on to make that more perfectly though. The narcissism is getting over me though at the moment, but I don't fucking care. Yeah, it's almost break time. Like in a half an hour, I'm gonna take a break. So we are gonna make 3 slots. And I want to put actors in, right? Oh, actor. Actor. We're gonna call it slot. Rename 1. Just make it on this point. For now. And we're gonna give it the book or something. For now. Gonna be empty. I just want to see how he's holding it at the moment. Alright, it looks kind of cool. It looks kind of okay. Yep. Alright. So like what we need to do though, like the book, you guys know, we need to make a placement system. So if you press a button like F. Holy fuck, goodbye. I forgot about that function. Shit. I want to do that again. Do you want to see me fly? Pew! Alright, cool. But that doesn't matter though. So I need to just make sure. That looks like a kind of cool mechanic though. To jump. Very fun to do. Very fun. Yeah. That was fun. But yeah, now you have the book. But we're gonna make it like it's not holding anything. For the first part though. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Yeah, it is. So it has to be none. Book is holding there. Gonna copy, paste, and slot 1, 2, 3. So we have slot 1, 2, and 3. have a system that is calling for now inventory. No, holding items. Need to make it a system from 3 again. New boolean is hold is slot whip just slot 1 mark again. Two question mark. Get away. Slot 3 question mark. That's like the easiest way to do that. So is slot 1 question mark on true? 2, 3. That's the first part, so we can see if there is stuff in slot 1, 2, or 3. This is a really annoying system though, because I need to make it like 10 times in here, because it needs to recognize if there's something in 1, 2, or 3. If there's something in 2 or 3, then you can... No, like in Phasmo you cannot... If I'm seeing it like Phasmo, you cannot equip another equipment on the slot that you already have something on. So I don't have to do all the hard work for this one. Like for the shooter, I made a zombie. That was a test project. Still gonna work that out though, because I really want to make a round-based zombie game. With the round-based zombie game that I've created, like the early stages of it, if you get a gun off the wall, you need to check off. Do you have something here? No? Get it. Okay? But then it needs to check though if the next gun, if you have something in slot 2, when you have 2 open, then you can it replace it, you know? But then you need to hold the button longer, but then it does something with slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, slot 6, and everything else like that. Bam. Stupid. So if slot thing true, do nothing. And it's same here, and do nothing. If it's false, we can do set slot 3 to the item you have there, right? Same as here, set slot 2, and same as... I am doing it fucked up though, because it's dumb. And then set slot 3. This is the simple equipment stuff though. Do we want to have a UI for it? No, because that fucks up immersion. So that's cool. So there. Okay. This is just only the holding items part, right? So we need to make 3 more boolean. Slot 1 open. Same, we need to do this 3 times. and then we no, we don't have to do this because we are point at normal event graph, and we're gonna make a slot keybinds. We're just making it like this right now, right? We are just gonna update this later to a something else that you can change in the main menu. But for now, we just to make this like this. Gonna make this two things: key press key 1, key 2, and then key 3. Key 3. So this needs to do two things. Or three things. If you press key 1, like that, I need to make a slot 1 visible, right? And then slot open. So first, you're gonna check if you pressed a 1. Pressed 1. First, remember how we fucking did this. If we pressed 1, we want slot 1. No, I think I can do this. Slot 1 is set slot 1 visible. Set visibility. Slot 1 visible. And then what you can do here is 3 times. You need to do this 3 times. Invisible, because the one you don't have visible anymore. Slot 3. Only gonna do visibility now. Later on we do collisions too, but for now it's just visibility. Right? And this you can copy just 3 times. For now though. 3 times what I said. Or if you press 2, and then you just do the same thing, you do this unvisible, make visible. And press 3. Slots at this point. Make visible, not visible. This will change until the scroll wheel 2 and everything else. But this is for now, on the early version, how we're gonna make the visibility. Okay. Then you're gonna say slot 1 is open. Same as here. Slot 2 is open. And then slot 3 is open. Right? The reason why we're doing this is because when we want to equip something, we want to know which part is open. And that's going to do in the equipment part in a second. But you want to know which one is open. Pretty easy, pretty simple. And there's a probability that I'm going to rework everything on this though. So we're going to make different scripts for it and everything else. But this is just early base to make the mechanics and then make it easier to build on later on. We can test this. Pretty simple. To do like the book on 1. Right? On slot 2, we're going to do the the DAR. And on slot 1 we're gonna put let's say the EMF like this, right? So slot 1 will always be visible, by the way. Always be visible. Then slot 3 will not be visible, and slot also not be visible. I said 2 times slot 3, but that's the thing. When we press play, we will start with something. I can't see it right now. If I press 2, something opens, and if I press 3, you see that? There you go. To make this better to do though, I need to change the orientations of it. But that doesn't matter for now. We just want to know if we can change it, right? Okay. So that's the first part. 7. Okay, like in between now 8 minutes and like between 14:30 of 2:30 and 2:45 I'm gonna take a break. So I'm now gonna think what I need to do now. First of all, I'm gonna change the slots back to none. Very important. So none. Bang, none. Cool. And now we need to change the stuff for the equipment and everything. Direction this perfectly though. I like it though for now. How I changed the script. But, okay. This is something I don't even need to do yet, but like I'm doing it. Items plus inventory slot. Something pretty cool. So these are the items that I'm holding, not using at this point. Graph this. Yep. Okay. Yeah, let me put some music on. I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna put some dinner. Some brunch dinner, something to eat in the microwave or in the air fryer. And then we have until the air fryer is done. So let me put some music on. Because I really want to take my break. Because my stomach is really freaking hurting me right now. We're just gonna put on my playlist. Just normal music. I know it's copyrighted. Nah. No copyrighted bangers. Copyright music bangers. I don't trust it, but we're gonna use it. Give me a sec though, yeah? Be right back.
You've been lost and alone in the city lights. I know, getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'll never let you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights. I know, but I will guide you home. Letting love pass by, something I've done so many times. Trying to keep my head high while everybody's dancing. 'Cause I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Since you took hold of my broken heart, just like a miracle. You're the angel, the one I've been waiting for. You're the angel, the one that pulled me out of the dark. You're the angel. You're the angel. Letting go of the past, I can never understand. So many questions, why? Well, everybody's dancing. 'Cause I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Since you took hold of my broken heart, just like a miracle. You're the angel, the one I've been waiting for, waiting for. You're the angel, the one that pulled me out of the dark. Oh, I've been waiting for, waiting for. The one that pulled me out of the dark. You're the angel. You're the angel.
Okay, I'm back. Dinner is in the making. So never mind. This is a really off day for me, but it doesn't matter. For every item on it though. Um. What we just need to do is call on slot 1, slot 2, 3. I'm just thinking now though. Why do I have this already? Uh, Focus is really not here. Made this, but like I totally forgot why I'm even making this. I can call this equip item. I don't think we need. Can delete that. But we are. So after the break, I'm gonna the equipment stuff. So can equip the item. Yeah, I'm fucking not concentrated today. Is that because we made already a few switches and we're making pretty good progress again. I'm gonna finish the day off with this system. That's one thing for sure. Because we need to have the interaction system items, right? So when we have the interaction system items, we that for everything else. I know what I need to do, but I don't have them going to do it at this point because I think I'm really hungry. Stomach is not on prime point, and I'm gonna take I think small little extended break for like 10 more minutes, then continue. Patient is working. Yeah, so let's watch some YouTube for now because I'm just on a small break. It's been.
Hallo, hoe gaat het met de verkoop?
Ga nou weg!
een vraagje.
Kanker nou op.
Hey, doe jij even rustig.
Wegwezen nou.
Hoe is het met de handel? Hey, doe je normaal?
He's mad.
Nou, het is vandaag weer zover. De Formule 1 in Zandvoort. En vorig jaar ging het er hier heftig aan toe. Like, you're selling tickets, right?
I know, but no, I'm not on the camera. I'm not on the camera.
That's a lot of cash.
Yes, but we here for the family, with the family.
I see him, I kill him. Zo.
Nou, de Formule 1 trekt ook allemaal hele vervelende straatverkopers aan. Maar ik ben eigenlijk wel gewoon benieuwd van... Wat is het eigenlijk voor handel en ja, wat levert het eigenlijk op? Er worden heel veel tickets verkocht hier op straat.
Ja, ik zag net al de man van vorig jaar. Die heeft de boel opgelicht en die staat er nou weer.
Staat hij daar weer?
Het bushokje, jongens. Daar moet je even kijken.
Ja?
Ja.
Maar wat is dat toch voor ding hier altijd met die tickets?
Ja, geldhandel natuurlijk voor die gasten. Ja. Maar vooraan staat hij. Ik ken hem van het filmpje van vorig jaar van jullie, jongens. Ja. Dus hij staat er weer gekleurd op.
Je moet je nergens mee bemoeien, vriend.
Wat gebeurt er allemaal?
Ik waarschuwde meneer dat hij zijn kaartje pas binnen moet kopen.
Ja.
Of in ieder geval als je een kaartje koopt, dat je er mee gaat.
Ja.
Want er wordt gewoon heel veel nep verkocht.
Sir, nog even één vraagje. Nee, ga even weg, man. Maar ik ben zo benieuwd naar die handel. Hoe werkt dat dan? Just one question, just one question. I just want to know. I just want to know.
No picture.
Hallo,
Wees nou opkankeren.
hoe gaat het met de verkoop?
Ga nou weg.
Even een vraagje.
Kanker nou op.
Hey, doe jij even rustig.
Wegwezen
Doe jij
nou.
eens even normaal, joh.
Opkankeren. Ik
vraag-
ga je slaan. Opkankeren.
Ik vraag even hoe het met de verkoop...
Opkankeren.
Ik mag hier gewoon staan.
Ik ga je
Ik heb gewoon een vraagje.
kankeren. Ik ga je echt kanker slaan, vriend.
Ik zou dat niet doen.
Kankermoeder.
Nou. Ik vraag alleen hoe het met de verkoop gaat.
Opkankeren, zeg ik.
Hoe gaat het?
Ik zeg toch opkankeren of niet?
Doe je even normaal.
Opkankeren.
Even rustig, hè?
Doe die camera uit, dan ga je zien.
Nou,
Doe
nou
hem uit
even.
dan, dan ga je zien. Kanker.
Ik kom alleen even vragen hoe het met de verkoop gaat. Meneer, wilt u misschien reageren? Hoe is het? Doe je normaal? Verkoop, hè? Blijf je van me af? Succes vandaag. Wat vind je ervan, van het hele verschijnsel met die verkopers hier?
Onkeren, hè?
Ik vind het niet erg, ik ben aan het werk hier, dus ik kom wel binnen.
Ja.
Maar dat is voor dit soort toeristen, ja, dat vind ik gewoon echt zielig. Die mensen die betalen een paar €100 voor een kaartje, dan ben je gewoon je geld kwijt. Dus ja, het is en blijft lastig.
Ja.
Dat is waarschuwen.
Nou, de politie die komt er nu even bij om even te checken wat er allemaal aan de hand is. Hij heeft nu in één keer niet meer zo'n grote mond. Dat is toch fijn. Oh, deze wordt nu ook meegenomen. Nou, ik hoop dat ze nooit meer terugkomen. Wat vind je van die handel in tickets hier voor de deur? Er wordt natuurlijk heel veel winst meegemaakt. Vind je dat dat zou moeten kunnen? Of...
Nou, als ze echt zijn, mag je het doen. Maar ik vind als het nep is, dan moet je gewoon, dan moet je gewoon lekker even een maand vast of 2.
Ja, boeven zijn het.
Wat is de kans dat je binnenkomt met zo'n ticket?
Wat vind je ervan dat dat zo op die manier gebeurt? Want dat is best wel een ding hier.
Het is slim. Ik kan ook makkelijk geld verdienen. Maar wij gaan het niet doen. Wij gaan lekker naar de boulevard. En,
Maar ik vind wel dat het moet kunnen, gewoon mensen.
ja, er zijn ook mensen bij die worden ziek. Hè? Die kunnen de laatste dag niet, de kaartje moet verkocht worden.
Als de mensen op zo'n manier nog een kaartje kunnen komen, dan betaal je er wat meer voor, maar dan ben je er wel bij.
Als ze maar echt zijn dan ook natuurlijk.
Dat is de vraag.
Nou, wil jij nou nooit meer iets missen van Poont?
Dat is de vraag. Heb je al Piep gehoord?
Het is me eindelijk gelukt. Hij is er eindelijk
Superfly.
bij. Wat heb je getekend? Een banaan. Waarom?
Dat is toch grappig?
Wat een teringlelijke tekening. Maar hiervoor heb ik jou niet uitgenodigd. Er is lang op gewacht, wil ik zeggen. En er is... Wat is dit?
Let's see if there's something on Beta Squad or something.
Welcome to Guess the Language, a game show where we guess languages from around the world. But first, let's explain the rules.
This is Guess the Language, where someone will walk in and say a specific sentence in their native language.
Men will say Johanna.
Our two teams will then be able to ask one question each, and then they have to pin where they think the language is from.
Alright, this is gonna be a fun video. I'm gonna look at the dinner though. The food. Sorry for the sound.
On the map behind them. But the catch is some of the languages may be absolute waffle. For every language you get right, it's 3 points, or if both teams get it wrong, it's 1 point for the closest guess. But now, let's introduce the teams.
We are Team NDL.
Or NDL AAR. It actually stands for NDL are actually racist, but you can call
Yeah, you can get that cut out straight away. And we're Team 6 foot plus.
Because we're 6 foot.
And these guys are both very short, so we're just showing our height and dominance. Both our teams come from different countries. We are Nigerian, and you guys are from the Somali region. Yeah, you guys, we're not boys.
We are.
Huh?
Somalia FC.
How you feeling, Dej?
No, I feel good. I
Yeah?
feel like we're going to win because we're just winners.
Deji, what language do they speak in Argentina?
Spanish.
You see, why are you trying to mess with him?
What? You thought I was going to say Argentine?
That's what AJ thought. He was genuinely asking the question.
I thought
That's why. Okay, today's sentence is... This is a good one. The producers have set someone up. I think the short man's breath smells of poo.
Who's the short man?
There's only one short man on this in this set. I can't wait to hear that in every single language. You know, so many people are going to come in here and violate it.
I hate the NDL production. How about that?
Bring in the first person.
Hey! Hi!
Welcome.
Hi!
Привет, я Оля. Мне кажется, что изо рта коротышки пахнет какашками.
She just cussed you out. Yeah, she cussed me out in her language.
I'm saying Lithuanian.
We'll say where it is. 3, 2, 1. Poland.
Definitely Eastern European. I think maybe like, around that region. All we have to do is get closer than them.
I feel like Russian is just too obvious. Let's see if they're going to be Ukrainian or like Lithuanian.
Ask her what her favourite drink on a night out. She said vodka. Guaranteed. Say the alphabet.
Yeah, okay. Can we do this? What country? No, we can't do that.
Because I just give it away for them. You're trying to... What country are you from? Oh, okay, yeah, we share the point. All right, listen, we've got our question. What are you guys waiting for?
Go on, if you're ready, go on.
Can you say the alphabet in your language, please?
А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И, и краткое, К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, Э, Ю, Я.
That's definitely not Russian. That's not Russian.
We have a question. So let's say you're on a night out. What would be your favourite beverage to have that night?
Вино.
What's it? Vino. Close enough. That's close enough. Close enough. Close enough. It starts with a V.
Well, it's lock-in time. Time to spot our things on the map.
Sharky and AJ put their pin in Slovakia. Meanwhile, we couldn't even get ours in the board.
What happened to the
Tweede
script?
dag pas.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, Team NDL, you guys say where you
NDL
got it
AAR, but we'll let you call it NDL for
no.
short. We put it in Slovakia.
Okay, we actually put it in...
Lithuania.
Нет. Born and raised in Moscow, Russia.
Russia! That's the first thing I said! That's the first thing I said! No! Russia! So wait, who's closest to Russia?
Lithuania is closer to Russia, meaning that we take the point for the first round.
Yeah! Getting through anyways, you were close enough.
What was that drink? What was that?
Wine.
Wine.
The word I was looking for was actually called vodka. I was waiting for that.
Sorry.
Well, that's 1-0 to us. Thank you very much, Ola. But I don't know what bye means in Spanish, so I'm going to have to just say ciao.
Пока-пока.
That's French.
Baka.
Baka baka. Let's bring in the next linguist.
Hey!
Ghana. I'm saying Ghana.
Yeah. How's it going?
Good. Sydache.
Oh.
Sedege?
Dwi me'wl fod gwynt yr dyn bach yn drewi fasa cachu.
Oh, he cussed you. Why did you look at me? Why did you look at me when he said that?
That's Liverpool, isn't it?
What, Liverpool?
He's right though, he's right.
Yeah, bro, he's right. I can't do it.
Liverpool.
Not today.
One more time, one more time.
Dwi me'wl fod gwynt yr dyn bach yn drewi fasa cachu.
No clue.
Yeah, like Viking vibes.
Oh, he's smiling as well, little Viking. So maybe we should ask the question, does the name Ragnar Lothbrok mean anything to you? Because he's a Viking.
He sounded a bit Russian. That's good.
you guys ask your question first.
Okay. It's not really a question, it's more of it's something you have to do. Do you mind singing a popular song from your country?
Mi welais jacketto, mi stefar penso, et when ripena tu igos plena ho 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 ho.
Ho 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 ho.
That's a banger.
Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. That's cold.
Good song, good song.
That's cold.
All right.
Does the name Ragnar Lothbrick, does it mean anything to you?
Nah.
Horror. Horror.
Smart. Good idea, though. Good idea, Deji, though.
Yeah, long day.
I thought he was a Viking. All right, we're ready, man.
Here we go.
Shoki and AJ seemed very confident in Kazakhstan,
I know exactly where you're from. You're from there.
but we weren't so sure.
Don't look around.
I did think that.
I'm going with you.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about us, though. I have Sharky on my team. He
Okay.
knows.
He's nodding his head. So, where we have locked in is Hungary.
That's
Where have
not
you?
a bad choice. Oh my God, that's
Not
not,
too
a bad
bad.
choice.
We've locked in Kazakhstan.
You guys should have come closer to home. I'm from Wales.
What?
Wales?
Yeah.
You're Welsh.
You're speaking Welsh the whole
He's
time.
speaking Welsh.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Wait, do you know how to say the longest word in Wales?
Yeah.
Can we hear it, please?
Dann pus kun gedi kun tropus lan Cecilia. Go go go.
That is
Oh
sick.
my gosh. Go. Oh, wait, what's microwave? What the?
Popty ping.
I know the language and I don't know Popty Ping. I'm fluent in Welsh and I blanked out.
Hungary is closer to Wales, putting me and Deji 2-0 up.
Another point for us, yes.
Wait, is it another
Charles!
3 points for us.
Come on, Welsh.
That is terrible.
Welsh, like, I've
2-0.
never heard a Welsh language like spoken like that.
All right, let's bring in the next one.
This is.
We need to step out. We need to step out there.
That's 2-0. We're smashing it, you know.
Oh my, wait, is it? No way!
Okay, could you please introduce yourself in your language?
Kaina Bradley.
I see this guy in my nightmares.
Can you say, I think the short man smells of poo?
Ik mag jerk hunken. Vin slagen, vin stingen, unslagen.
Is that what's wrong with that?
It sounds like German. I won't even lie. Wait, okay, say your name again.
Ik Kaina Bradley.
Okay, and then say the sentence again.
Ik mag jerk hunken. In slagen, vin stana, vin stungen.
That's something else!
Alright, Lee.
Say it 3 times differently.
Can you say the sentence one more time, please?
Ik mag jerk hunken. In
Jerk chicken.
slagen, vin stigen.
Bro, man say jerk chicken, bro. I heard jerk chicken.
I'm ready to vote, man.
Okay, what were we going to ask him? We're asking alphabet? Should we ask him to recite a poem?
Okay, yeah. You know a German poem, right?
Wait, not a German poem. Wait, what did you say?
German poem.
You're speaking English now?
I'm a man of different languages.
In your native language, my friend, can you please say...
How much is in kasha?
No. We both picked waffle. Bradley, was that a language or was that waffle?
It's a bit of language, bit of waffle.
Okay,
So it was waffle overall because you mixed up.
But I love jerk chicken.
So I knew it was jerk.
Did you actually throw jerk chicken in there?
Yeah.
did, he said jerk.
Ich mag jerk hunken. Is I love jerk chicken.
You need to open a restaurant.
Let's open one.
You should, man.
Jack. Bradley's Jack.
All right, well, thank you very much.
Decides where he's going.
No.
He decides what he's
Icon.
doing. We're coming back.
Well, listen, we haven't failed yet. We've won every single time.
The next linguist!
Bring him in!
Hey, the less linguini.
Okay.
Hi.
Ahoj, jmenuji se Johana.
Okay, Johanna, please say the sentence.
Myslím si, že krátkej muž, jemu smrdí dech jako hovno.
A little crush clicker. All the languages. So the first one was crush and she was Russian. Second crush is Welsh. So there's no correlation.
It's the name.
So you know a Johanna?
I think I've heard of an anime.
An anime?
Yeah, but Vinland Saga, which is like a Viking anime.
I've got a question. Johanna, can you please tell me loads of common names from your country?
Zuzana, Jindřiška, Alexandra, Julie,
Wait, Julia.
Any boys' names?
Michal, Albert.
Horror. I'm clueless now.
Yeah. No clue.
This is tough.
Would it be safe to say that your country is within 3 hours on the plane of UK.
Anna.
Horror.
Wait,
What?
Should I know? Yeah, I know. We burnt our question.
There you go. All right. You know what time it is, boys?
Now you know how to nod. Yeah, now you're nodding. Cold.
Hey, make sure they're not watching our board, all right? Because we know exactly where this is going. I know where you're from.
Sharky and AJ picked Romania, but after a dirty look from Joanna, they weren't so confident.
I didn't like that. I didn't like that look.
Meanwhile, we were certain it was close to Russia.
She was saying Alexander, stuff like that. That is Russia. So it's got to be close. That is Finland.
All right, we're in. So tell us, what country did you go for?
So we picked Finland.
Finland.
Interesting.
Oh, she's smiling though.
Yeah.
I'll tell you
she's
right now.
Laughing. No, she's
I'll
laughing
tell you
now.
right now, you're wrong.
Laughing.
I'll tell you right now, you're wrong. You know what language they speak in Finland?
What?
Finnish.
That's you guys. You're finished.
You're from Romania.
Oh.
Wait,
Where you from?
What close?
Czech Republic.
Check.
We're closer. We're closer.
Yeah!
Lower.
Could you teach me your language?
Let's go, Sharks!
What sentence would you like?
No, I mean just teach me in general.
Like he wants like classes, like
Like
classes.
classes.
Oh, classes.
Like one-on-one classes.
How
Oh,
much? How much per class? I ain't doing it for free.
Thank you so much, Johanna. Peace out.
Appreciate
See you soon.
Heading into the final round, the score was 5-4 to Team 6 Foot Plus. It's still very close, and either team can still take the win.
Okay, let's bring in the next linguist.
Hi.
Bonjour.
Wait, sorry. Say that again.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Kelly.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Je pense que le petit homme, sa bouche sent de la merde.
Yeah, okay, all right, yeah, we know.
Can you say 79 in your language, please?
69.
Why did you ask that question?
No, wait, no, 69.
Why did you ask that question?
Wait. Can you say 69, please?
69.
You think it's 69?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
It's not.
13, 14.
It's 79.
79?
There we go. My point proven. You see? And now they get the point.
Wait, hang on.
I told you.
Wait. What's 69 in your language?
79?
There. What did I say? See, but now they get the point. You ruined it.
What's going on?
I see what's going on here. Someone's trying to swindle us. Are you surrounded by sea where you're from?
Non, pas vraiment.
You reckon it's 4-4? She's waffling. What's 69 in your language again? In your
Je ne
language.
sais pas.
Yeah, je ne sais pas. Yeah, is that, come on, bro. Whoa.
Okay, what you guys
Alright,
going
we've got to go for it.
Yeah, cool.
After a lot of confusion, both teams locked in waffle.
Why are you copying?
I copied. No, that's perfect. That means we've won, by the way. Okay, so we've both locked in with waffle.
It's Swiss French.
Swiss French.
Switzerland.
What?
Switzerland.
Oh, so they
So-
say 69 differently.
They say all the numbers differently, apart from up to about 20, which is what I know anyway, but it is Swiss French. So
Dat blenden crasht, hè, is normaal. Niet door je computer.
Last week.
Blenden is gewoon zo een fucking pro.
We should have known because she was speaking
Yeah, but
fluent
the
French.
numbers,
But
yeah.
it's just the numbers. Thank you very much. I
Okay.
appreciate that.
No worries.
No one gets the point, and that means we've won. Let's go, Dej! Big up, you guys.
6 foot gang.
Took the L.
6 foot gang.
Hold it.
You lot won by not getting stuff right. You were closer.
I'll smoke a cigarette and I'm gonna continue.
So short.
Yeah, you guys are little shorties, man.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, but that's the end of the video. If you guys want to see this again, let me know in the comments down below. Smash the like button. Thanks to these guys for helping out and coming out here. And yeah, subscribe to them. Peace out.
Nou, tijgertje. Wel. Wat zijn de regels? Fair trade. Moet je Polygon, als je een game release, moet je dan Polygon een deel betalen? Of is het compleet free? Dat moet je weten. Het is nu free. Ja? Totdat je het verkoopt. Kan het wezen dat ze zeggen van, hé, wacht even. Ik heb die kraan gemaakt. Betalen, gek. Daar moet je over nadenken soms. Voor de rest, jouw idee is helemaal niet zo slecht hoor. Het moet wel echt commercial free zijn. Zelf maken. Of je leert zelf paint. Heel erg belangrijk. Daar hoef jij je niet druk over te maken.
Ivo de Bruin leads for the Netherlands. 5 down, 15 still to come.
Dude, do we?
Top of the track is Oskars Kibermanis with Mattis Miknis behind him on the Latvian sled. Fastest starters in the competition, ended up 15th position.
You know, just think of a superstar athlete coming out of college, going to the pro ball, and just not delivering. This guy here, for the last couple of years, 20 years old, he was on the World Cup Tour. Watch these two athletes from Latvia sprint and jump in this sled. 476 in the first heat, could be better. 477. He's got 4,300s lead. And his driving has just been erratic. He's in a slump, and I don't think it's the equipment.
But if he's got a slow Latvian sled, he'll be the only Latvian who's got a slow Latvian sled, and the only customer of BTC who's got a slow Latvian sled.
The dog is only as good as its master, I like to say. Here with that start, he's accelerating to 5,300s. And, hey, we're all pulling for him. This is a super athlete.
And it's a better looking drive, but then the first one didn't look that shabby. 1-2-6 and he's gone. Just trying
Goodbye.
to get too much. Down at the bottom of the track.
50-50. He'll finish. Not the way he wants to finish.
This is world's biggest obstacle course, and today.
Nu går det undan.
Fick du det på film? Oh my god!
So a few days ago, I decided to. There's a special competition in Trackmania called Troll Cup of the Day that only happens once a month, where instead of the daily cup being hosted on ordinary racing track, it takes place on some of the worst, most abhorrent creations imaginable. But despite the tracks being utterly ridiculous, the prestige for winning is just as high, if not higher, than a regular cup of the day, because they take place so infrequently. To date, there have only been about 20 or so unique winners of Troll Cup of the Day. I myself have played nearly every edition, and I've never managed to win one. In fact, I haven't even gotten close. To win a Troll Cup of the Day, you first need to play the qualifier, where you have 15 minutes to learn the track and set the best time you can. The top 64 players land themselves a spot in Division 1. Getting top 64 out of over 3,000 players on maps that require a great deal of luck is not at all easy. But if you get to Division 1, you then have to play a knockout match, where every round the slowest players get eliminated. But because the tracks are so unique, having any semblance of consistency is very difficult. But in the Troll Cup of the Day that happened in February of 2023, I finally felt like I had a chance at winning. That day's map was a plastic ice map, where you had to hug the plastic walls to build up speed and try to not spin out of control. And I was actually able to do it somewhat consistently. In the qualifier, I got 26th place, and I was consistently driving in the top 10s in knockout rounds. I think I could do very well on this map. So it's like impressive. If you were a little bit off the ideal course, you would spin out of control. If you hit the wrong spot on the wall, it would bounce you straight backwards. And if you landed in the wrong spots, the car would instantly twist to the side. But despite that, it was oddly similar to the one from a month earlier, and I saw an opportunity to redeem myself and win for the first time. Okay, that's a good start. I think I have the strategy for the start now. To get a good wall bang, you have to be slightly less angled than the turn itself. So here, just something like that. And then, so then you don't like spin out of control. You see that? 40.03.36? Crazy, man. That's 2 seconds behind first. But still top 40, because the map is so difficult.
At the start.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Cup of the Day final versus Janik. I can't believe it. Good luck, Janik. I will play my heart out.
What is virtual doing? Ah, what the fuck?
That was actually a clean 360 as well. Holy fuck.
Oh my god, he's failed. Guys! That's my 10th Cup of the Day win! I won again, and it's finally on a troll map, and it's together with Janik. Oh my god. It's been half a year, guys.
All right, let's get to the Olympics, Tokyo 2000. Okay. Oh, I see. I see ya! Let's advance to the semifinals, man. I say we go through all the events and win them all. We want gold medal on everything today. I like the build up, man. There's no difficulty settings or anything, huh? Because I feel like we need to bump it up. No! Fucking go!
There's no difficulty settings or anything, huh? Because I feel like we need to bump it up.
I sprained my ankle.
Had ik ook.
Who do I got?
Totdat het zo weer beter gaat.
Gotta watch out for this guy in the red.
Als het echt niet lukt, moet je gewoon even stoppen.
I don't like it.
Hè? Ook slecht geslapen, hè? Morgen daar.
See ya! Oh, that's a new record, baby. That's a world record. Doc, take the karate gi off. You don't think the gi's working? You think it's slowing me down? What are we getting all? Pico. I don't have enough space. Portugal team. I couldn't tell you what the turbo button is. Don't tell me it's circle. No, it's not. Let's go!
What a gooi!
Easy. Nice. Hey, make sure the home guys are red. Okay. What about the visitors? Make them red too. All right. Football? They got a soccer one? Beach volleyball. There you go, Doc! Boom! Oh. Let's get a rally going. I got you. I almost want to hit that. There you go, baby! Woo! Game time.
Alright.
Right here, right here. Let me end it.
Continue. Webcam on. What were we doing? The interaction of the items, eh? So that's I need to rework. Alright, don't. Because they are all so um book. My mic working? Yeah, it is. But I'm just talking too fucking quiet. Okay. Sorry. And we need so we have the book. So we're gonna do the DAR now. Copy. First save this. This can go away for now. Wait, we're gonna do it like this. Windows work, bitch. Where is it? I wanna have this in the middle. And that. And that. Cool. So we can do this a little bit quicker though. So this is in items and this is in the new thingy. Okay. And then we're going to do this, and then rename this to DAR. Rename this to DAR. Good. Math. Wait, it did everything, didn't it? Yep, I did a mistake. Shit. Wait. This is the main interaction blueprint, right? No, it isn't. This is... Sometimes I'm just fucking stupid. Yeah, or no. Need to rename this too. Dat maakt toch niet uit. We call this main. Fuck this shit. Up. And we open it. So like this. Here. Ooh, that fucked something up. That fucked something up. Let me fix it later though. So we have the DRR. The same thing is gonna happen with the ghost box. I have a fucking bad feeling about this. That's only the text. Fix it later. So rename DIR. Name this to ghost box. Box, ghost box. Can I better learn to model in Unreal? No. No, it's stupid. The Unreal modeling. Because this is like a lot of fucking static meshes and everything else. There is a modeling option though, but no. Blender is the way to go for that though. I swear to God. And it's way easier when you learn that. Like the only reason why you want to learn modeling in Unreal is if you want to make beta builds or dev builds. That's the only thing you need to have though. What's the ghost? Right. Did we have the EMF? Ah, this is gonna be a fucking problem thing too. Yo, I need to fucking rework everything. I need to rework everything. Oof, I was looking at the price of Autodesk. Why would you want to have Autodesk? Dude, that's a fucking school software bullshit. You will get fucked. You know what? What I'm going to do here? Fuck this one. And I'm going just to go to on Sketchfab. And I'm just doing this for beta because this is really fucked up at this point. And just force delete everything. Light switch needs to stay here. That needs to stay here. Force. So bam, go away. Go away. We're going to Sketchfab for now. Yeah, it's a program that's used for schools and everything. Sketchfab. In a moment. Okay, we want a EMF. Doing simple, stupid, right? Game ready, but I don't fucking care. FBX. First download everything though, and then we're gonna try to a camera. Yeah, we can use this down. Just for now. Open book. We can use an object, but no, we want FBX for this. Why do they say Unity is better than Blender? Because people are just fucking stupid. This doesn't have a download. They have paper piece, so you can write. I had problems the last time with the book. FBX. What if I type ghost book? Just book only. Maybe a close one like this though. A blend. To fucking FBX. You cannot download. Looks pretty good though. Close. Demon book. Why are they? Um. It's an object though, but can I import object? Question. Can I import object? I'm just gonna test it out for now, okay? Oh, let me download it. Download object. What if I type in the AR, digital audio recorder? Okay, audio. A recorder. Yeah, this one looks fine. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, what do I have now? We have 4 items. What items do we need more? Can you check the link if you're done streaming, if that's a good website? Yeah, sure. The thermometer. How do you type a thermometer though? This is a thermometer. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I fucking. $9, dum dum. I'm just checking here though. At least with some stuff on it. Give me a sec, I will find something. Yeah, we are just doing this then. Fuck this. Doesn't need to be perfect though. This model is ugly as fuck, but it's something, right? It's just for the beta. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the 6th item? What's the 6th item we need for now? We got a video cam, the ghost box. Yeah, right? No. Like, I think it's a digital audio recorder, but like. Give me a. No. Yeah. That's better. Go away, stupid fly. Yeah, this is okay. Oh yeah, sure, have a blend option itself. Fucking hell, I need a fucking... I'm gonna make it black myself if this... Oh. Yep. No, it isn't. Radio phasmophobia. Exactly. Okay, we have all the items. Then let me make a file here for temp beta temp dev build items. No, I don't want to import this directly. Go away. That was my fucking fuck up. Thank you. Go away. Seriously, are we going to do this as a shortcut? Fuck off. Thank you. This is a spirit box, I guess. Spirit box. And like what I hate about this, the source is it's finally something good. You. Spirit box. Item. What the fuck was that? It was the thermo, I guess. New folder, thermometer. Oh, China #1 FBX, eh? I don't trust that at all, but I don't care. And this is for the DIR. And the book, this is the book. Are you fucking kidding me? Cute. Camera. Camera. And DMF. Like, let's call this placeholders, right? I'm just using this for placeholders, and that's bang. Cool. So now we can go fuck yourself, go fuck yourself, go fuck yourself. You too, you too, you too. We're gonna keep you. I like the X. But fuck that shit. I did everything here, right? Shit. We're gonna make a new content, new folder, placeholders, and just put everything here. Are you fucking kidding me? Are in some parts still fucking? I saw what with the camera. I'm gonna see what has been imported. Thermo. Good, 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 good. Book. Only fucking textures. Now I'm getting fucking sick of this website. I swear to God. Let me guess. Source is still in a... Can you go there, please? Yeah? Can you go there, please? Thank you. Then you go fuck off right away. Go here. Thank you. The fuck? Why is this stone here? Why did you give me this fucking thing? I only need this. Okay, the camera, textures, good, source, looks good. DIR. Nope, the DIR. They fucked up. I hate you. Suck my dick. Website. Why do you give me all those pictures? It's in here, right? Exactly, it's still there. So you can suck a dick. Go away. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you just fucking kidding me? Yeah, you are. Okay, cool. But I will check that though if I can fix that later. EMF, it has a source. Cool. Spirit box, it has a source. Cool. This is gonna be so much fun, boys. Thermo, it has a source. Perfect. Chinese one is already modeled and everything because he did it in exactly. The main thing though, items, eat every, we don't. First we're gonna static mesh. Well, let's start with the book. Yeah. Oh, so they made it. You can open it up, I guess. Oh no, this is a holder for it or something. You can see. So we go to the book, static mesh. We do this. This is the what? Oh, I made a mistake. I need that. Oh, you are fucking kidding me, isn't it? I need to create the book all by myself, right? Why don't you just create it for me? That's just the stupidest thing. People are just recording this fucking. All fucking. I'm gonna be part, I guess. Just he knows his placement. Go. Okay, okay. Not that hard though. Cool. Now we need to make a material. Material. And now I need to read. These are... See? Ambitious. Oh, that's a good one. I think this is... This is the normal, I guess. I think this is... Probably. Blue dashes. That's this one connected. Completely T-spellbook. First of all, let's see what happens if we put here. Oh, it's finds papers at this. Instantly greater. Bang. Oh, it looks good now, right? You see the depth. Looks like the depth is there. If we really want to use like the physical something, that it writes something down, you can do this. Wow, it did something. But no, just compile a sec. Main child, and we call that the book. Items, equipment, items. Oh, remember, stupid dumb fuck. This is gonna be a lot of work, though. I'm gonna be working on this tomorrow too. For sure. Where the fuck is my YouTube here, so I can read chat? Ik moet een Eevee bezig. Dat wordt gebruikt in... No! 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 People are fucking lying to you. Every game developer is using Blender.
Oh my...
Oh, it's in Blender. Was Eevee the hard one for you? Easy one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Because I am doing the rest in game. Okay, sorry, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I didn't know what Eevee. And I will lick your titty tonight. I'm sorry. I will vape you. I will vape her. Stupid. I'm dumb. You dumb, yeah? I'm no Blender specialist. You go be specialist. I'm dumb. Met de master weet wat alles is. I know. Dat duurt lang, ja. Oké, let's put it... Holy fuck, the book is big! Okay, let's see how it looks in game. It's pretty big too, though. But like, this is what Unreal Engine does with the game, right? It just makes everything beautiful. Don't say this is ugly, though. It's fucking nice. That's why I'm not using it. They want money for it? Go suck a dick. Rename a book. Let's do the EMF. Yes. Okay. Ish. Encyclopedia? You mean like how the book looks? I don't fucking know what you mean. Me stupid, yes. I think do this. Right. Did they give textures with it? Nah, not really, right? Oh, they did. Ah, like that. Yeah, it's the Bible. F. Everything in it. I think this needs to be the base color. Sure, this is gonna be the normals. So it has depth. What the fuck is this though? Oh, a shadow. Yeah, I don't need that. We are creating shadows of our own. Roughness is this one. Makes like. Is this the roughness? This looks it more fucked. Yeah. This can't be the roughness because this is light color. So this is just the white color thingy. I think this is... Wait, just delete them both. So we have the thingy and the thingy and the thingy. And the black roughness. RGB for the roughness. You really want to... Okay. And we can add that here. Bang. Hold on. Main items. Need to change these. Need to move. Equipment. Okay. Sure. Really small. Not small. This is still a fucking large book. No, that's too small. Green, right? Dude, no! And my girlfriend is laughing at me. She can suck my dick. This looks more fucking acceptable, I guess. Yep. You are thick. This stupid thing is stupid. Yes. So this is item 2. Yeah, this is gonna take a little while to make that. It needs to, like, if I build it like this right now, then I have less problems changing the items for what she is doing, what she is making. So better doing that now than have the progress doing it all over fucking again. And I'm getting better. People gonna carry that book bent over. Yeah, probably. Like, I think if you go into the book in the house, there needs to be an audio source that asks him, "Hey, book, where are you going with that human?" That's gonna be. But now it's not big anymore. Now it's just normal size. Yes, I hope. Fuck that shit. They are just placeholders, right? So. DIR. This is gonna be a shit work though. Main items. DIR. This is gonna be shit. And it's done. It's not gonna be that hard to create, thank God. Huh. EMF is small compared to the Bible. Yeah. It is. But I don't fucking care. Alright, we need to read. What's the base color? What do you guys think is the... This is all low poly, so they can suck my dick with the low poly. This is the base color. Okay. It is the emissive. Emissive. Metallic. Opacity. I don't have opacity here, brother. So I need to change the color of the DR. I want to use the opacity, but let's see. I can still do it on here. Change some stuff on. Type in. Like that's translucent, adaptive, modulate. No. It doesn't need to be a service though. Maybe when I have a normal, but this is the roughness. First fix. This is all low polyed, so I fucking care about the. Yeah, I really don't care about the low poly. But I need to add the normals, right? Normals are. Don't use. But we need to change some stuff. Give me a moment, chat. Go here. Bro. Are you fucking kidding me right now? No, that's not working perfectly though. I tried, but it didn't. Ah, Jesus. How did we clear this bullshit? Display 2 materials. One of them needs to be something. Do I need to make 2 fucking materials? Are you fucking kidding me at the moment? I think I need to do that, Jim. I'm not taking it. Fuck this shit. Give me... Save this for now. Just gonna see what happens in a second. This is the recorder, right? So you need to have this one. Okay, so that's looking a little bit better. So I need to make a second material with decal. Almost certain. Is this. Where the fuck was it? Oh, here, emissive. Metallic. Opacity. Let's change this. Yeah, right. So now is everything safe. And change this one though for us. Yeah, just do. And then the low poly ambient collision base. I already have that. Color. Metallic. I hate low poly. Apply. Why do I click it gone every time though? Go to the DAR, display all materials. Now decoil, put it there. That looks right. I don't understand why there is still white because I did everything. But fuck it, we're gonna accept it for. DIRs, place items. Yep, still. Equipment. Here. Did he not move? Yes, he did. Okay, you're huge. Shit! You're still huge. It wants to be the Jesus book. Wants to be friends with it. No! Okay, let's see how that looks. Looks kind of cool, right? Yes. This thing though is going to be fucking epic though as SA equipment. I swear to God, this one will be cool. This one will record sounds. Like if it recorded, the recording thing will blink, something like that, or I don't know. It's recording, and then you need to have to go to the place where you have all your items stored and everything, your computers, and then you can say listen to recording, and you have like every time you have a minute that you can record, and then if you recorded any sounds of it, then it will give you a feedback of the recorded sounds in the bus, just only that. So it's not Ghostbox, so it can talk directly to you, but it's an evidence that it can only give you like recorded sounds. That's kind of cool, right? No, I don't need the afmeting for the EMF though. It's just temporarily. I think I'm gonna have like in 5 minutes. Get at the breaky. I think my girlfriend's one. Ooh, very. I don't know. Do they have that too? That you need to go inside, try to record something, and go back to the bus, and then. No, that's not. Yeah, something like it though. Oh, like that. No, I'm gonna do it in the bus with special software on your laptop or something. Oh, so you can plug it in and then. Rustig, ik zei al 5 minuten. Kalm aan, mens. So we have the book, EMF DR. Let's do the camera. This is a fucking problem too. Content. Screen. Child object. Camera. Oh, these are the materials. Actual. And this camera is small as fuck though. What the actual fuck? Why do you have this though? White, my brother. You go to textures. I will just make. There you go, base. Hey, please. Ooh. Normal. I think that's all. Save it. The camera. It needs all of the materials. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Why can we not just use one fucking material for everything? Hey, you guys suck my dick. Did I do the right fucking thing at least? Here. Source textures. Source. Yeah. Okay. Cylinder. I'm not even gonna do fucking base color. There you go. This is, what was this? Metallic. Gray. Normals. Save it. Oh wow. 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 Lamp 3. I'm getting a little bit pissed here. The camera doesn't have all the fucking text in it. Why? What the actual fuck? Let me check. What's the roulette low, roulette normal? What do you want with this? I don't know. Is it this? Maybe. I don't know. Text and everything, but see what happens. Fuck it, for this, it's good enough now. Compound. Done. Suck my dick. I don't know what the fuck you want from me. That's why I want to work with only one person and not fucking 10 different people that making me skins though. Like if the one person is doing something stupid or it doesn't look like it, I just can go to the person and say, dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? You know? So Dude, what the fuck is wrong? I need to make it 5 times at least, I guess. Yep. Yeah, I'm missing still stuff. The white thing though, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I give a fuck. So that was the camera meant for a special person. Yeah, that was the Ricardo camera. Huh? Ja, zit er waarschijnlijk dik in, maar I don't give a fuck. Ja, maar ik boeit me echt niet. Het is niet alsof dit de final product is. Rico camera. Yeah, I know. So we have 4 items now, and now I'm gonna make a cigarette. Fuck this shit. I'm taking a small ass break. Holy fuck. This camera, this fucking bullshit. That's why I really want to have one person to work with though. Like the guy who made the book was one fucking material for all the items. That's perfect. You know? Like if it were multiple items, I don't give a shit. Downloading the only where can't die. Wait, which game? Can't die? How do you ever lose? How do you lose? Only guessing the wrong ghost. Boring. What time is it? 4 o'clock. I have like 45 minutes left of my workday, and then you are.
Wonder's mission is to get the best 3D graphics tools into the hands of
Is it
artists
free?
all over the world completely for free. It can do that thanks to the fact that it's open source, meaning that anybody can use it for any
Dude, he has a course for free? Pretty nice though. That's kind of nice.
reason, and can also contribute to improving it. But it's not just volunteers and academics that add features. They also have plenty of full-time developers thanks to the thousands of people and some of the biggest tech companies donating every single month. So if that many people have decided to give Blender money even though they don't have to in order
Huh? Like you don't even have to render. Only for pictures to show people. Because if you want to do movement, want to do the movement animation too. Jij die animaties ook wil allemaal maken. Jij alleen de animaties maar te maken. Op te slaan. Ja, dan druk je op spatiebalk en dan speelt hij af. Kneuk. En niet te renderen. Dat is het. Het is gewoon ook belangrijk voor als jij, zodra jij je eerste dingen maakt. Vind ik belangrijk voor jou. Want als jij hier echt plezier uit haalt, wat het nu lijkt, tenminste voor mij, dat jij er plezier uit haalt. Dat blijf doen. En je begint met de eerste object voor het spel, toch? Op dat moment ook dat jij een soort van website hebt. Want op het moment dat jij je eerste object klaar hebt, kan jij hem renderen en op je website zetten als portfolio. En dat betekent dus dat mensen kunnen zien wat jij maakt. En ervoor kunnen kiezen van, hey, ik heb nog een modelaar nodig. Kunnen ze je een berichtje sturen, hey, vraag je ervoor, dus dit en dat. Kijk, en hoe lang ben je ermee bezig? Kunnen ze dan allemaal dingen ze. Luiheid heet zoiets. Ja, zeker wel. Yes. Waar reageert hij mee? Als jij wilt dat als de EMF 100% goed de breker moet uit. Is goed. Schrijf eens bij ontwikkelingsidee. Zet het even bij ontwikkelingsidee. IMF reageert op elektrische apparatuur. Maar dat betekent dus ook dat er een optie moet zijn, want onze menu is wordt de telefoon. Dat betekent dus dat we ook een menu moeten hebben om een optie moeten hebben om de telefoon in de dingen te leggen. In Mission Command. Ja. En dan ook dat je je hand ziet hoor. Ik ben geen mogol. Let's hope we can finish the item 4 or 5. Can more or we start scripting the inventory. Yeah, something like that though. Like, I see this game is built with. I see this game is built with Sketchfab. Doing temperatuur. Airco. Welke engine is dit? Kun je de game net opstarten? Alright, let's continue working. Yeah. Ghost. Batman. Cool. Ah. Did they do something good? They did something very good, but this is not those books. Acceptable for now. These fucking thingy. Well, they did something good. They made the materials in Unreal. Something though. Something. Like, it's not perfect though. Like, if I can edit books. They have the normals. We can add that though if this is we can change it if we want to. Do it like this. Right. And then it would look like a little bit like if we wanted to. A little bit up. Get the metal UV. Feeling it's metal. We're gonna keep it like this. For now, I think that's good. Fuck that shit. This is good enough for me. Because they really don't give a shit. And even that's too fucking big. See that? That's even. Yeah. Let's do 0.2. That's more. Yep. Okay. Last item. Last item. I really don't know. Thermo, yeah, right? Yeah. No. I love this Chinese guy. I really love this Chinese. Because he already did everything for me. But that's great. There you go. I'm not certain for how we can change that because it's in a texture, but we will find out. We will certainly find out. But for now, this is what we have, and this is where we're gonna work with. So, yep. What time is it now? 16:32. I think tomorrow is a great day to make the equipment equipable. And tomorrow should be a great day to put the sanity system in place for everything. For everything though, so the lights and everything else. And let's copy this for a sec. make the map a little bit bigger. So if we press play, so we can do this. So we can make here a sanity stop. So you walk through this wall, so, the sanity stops with like degrading, right? Because when you are in here, when it starts in here, it will check if the what up, Ghosty Ghost? You already hunt? What's going on? Oh, what the fuck was going on there? There's something here that's fucking me up. But there's nothing here. Yeah, this thing is here though, but like, it doesn't have... Huh? This is when? Yeah, there's something really fucking fucked here. I will check that out tomorrow. Yeah. Maybe that's fixed after a restart, you never know, because these things are hidden in game. So maybe one of the items is fucking something. A possibility, right? Maybe one of those hitboxes are fucking big. We can check that out in a minute. Okay, wait, we're rebuilding it. No, it's still fucked because this is his spawn and it's still fucking up. Yeah, it's fucked up. I don't know why, because the pathfinding even is saying something here. What is this? Oh, this is the building. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix that though in a few, but tomorrow. But it has no fucking rush yet. And I think it's a map issue at this point. So that's it. For the people that watched, it's 4 hours, 9 minutes to go. It's gonna be a little bit shorter one today. Friday is gonna be probably a longer one. It's a really longer one. Then I'm just gonna start an hour after I'm awake and gonna stop when I'm done with stopping it, because Saturday and Sunday I'm not working on the game, not streaming it, nothing else. So Friday is gonna be a long one because I already said probably to my girlfriend that she has probably a dev build on her PC Friday. That means I have a UI ready. So I have a lot of work to do tomorrow and Friday. But yeah, it's probably getting there really quick though, because we now need to do a few ghost things, a few item things, a few inventory things, and we have all the base mechanics done. Yeah. I think Friday is gonna be a big day for the equipment to work. Is testable-ish. So the equipment will give like a sensor if something happens, so you have that part of evidence. Not like it's really big, but like it's EMF. It's not gonna be EMF 5 yet, but EMF. The camera will, I don't know, maybe say something when, hey, orbs or something. Just no visuals yet, but just getting text orb. The book will just open up or something when it's writing in it. So that's the small things, and the ghost box and the recording thingy will do the same thing. It will just be text-based at that point. Because the game is soundless, so it's really, really boring, but it needs to be played for a few hours to test, right? Exactly. So that's what we're gonna do at the end of the week. We're gonna play test it. I guess me and my girlfriend is gonna play test it solo to see if it's all working, if we don't see any bugs. And if we get there Friday, we're gonna fill out this rooms a little bit more with stupid stuff that we can download from the internet. We have, thank God, we have Quixel Bridge for that, to do a little bit of small things to the house and to fill it up. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. It's now tomorrow finishing up the inventory system, building out the sanity system, fixing this bug here that we have for a really fucked up reason. I don't know why. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Cool. Everybody, thank you all for watching the stream, and we will see you back tomorrow, 1 PM European Standard Time. See you tomorrow.